Welcome to the Rackspace Technology Treat Documentation Like Code Create and Publish New Content course. By the time you finish, you'll know how to create and publish a new how-to article and other documentation such as developer guides and user guides. The course covers creation through the GitHub user interface or GUI and through the command line. It also explains the content metadata and the Git pull request or PR process. Hopefully, you have some basic experience using Git and know how to fork and clone repos and create branches. You should also know how to set the upstream repo. Oh, and you need to know which product URL corresponds to your article. I'll explain why shortly, but just know you can look it up in the support how-to contributing.md file. Let's go through the steps to create an article through the command line first. We're going to write a new article about adding RAM to a server. Assuming you've already forked and cloned the repo and it's up to date, start by navigating to the repo's home directory on your local machine. Check out a new branch by entering the git checkout command with your branch name. For example, git checkout -b add RAM. Then enter the Hugo command to create a folder with the template content for the article. This is where you have to know that product URL and, of course, the title for your article. In our case, the command is hugo new --kind support bundle how to cloud servers add RAM to a server. Hugo creates a folder named for your article under the product URL directory you specified in the command. Your article folder contains 4 files: index.md, where you can add your content, and 3 template files with examples of different types of articles. Review the template files to get an idea of how to structure your content and delete them when you're ready. They won't be published anywhere, so you don't need to keep them. The index.md file has the basic metadata elements and space for your text. Open index.md with the editor of your choice. Start by filling in a few of the metadata fields with your name, the product, and product URL. Again, check the contributing.md file for the product specifics. You should also check the title field for capitalization problems. It should read like a sentence, with the first word and any names or proper nouns capitalized. Then, under the 3 dashes that mark the end of the metadata, add your article content. After you're finished, go ahead and commit your content from the command line and push your PR to the support how-to repo. In the GitHub GUI, create a PR for your new article. Post a copy of the PR URL requesting a review in the Rackspace Team's Docs Team and Review Requests channel. Or you can email us at infodev@rackspace.com. We'll check it out and let you know if it needs any tweaks. GitHub sends notifications when the PR is merged and published. That was fun, right? Now let's check out how you can do the same thing through the Git GUI. In this case, we'll create an article about scheduling a cloud backups job. In your browser, go to Git and choose the Support How-To repo. Click the Content folder, the How-To folder, and then the folder with the product you need. Then click Add a File and Create New File. Finally, enter the title of the article, all lowercase with hyphens between the words. Now add a backslash after the article title and type index.md in the new text box. Now you need to add metadata for your article in the content section. You can copy lines from a similar how-to or grab template lines from the contributing.md file. Fill in the metadata with relevant data as shown on this slide. If you need some guidance on how to structure your article, feel free to check out the concept, task-based, and troubleshooting templates in the repo's Archetypes Support Bundle directory. Then write your new article. When you've written everything you need to help the customers thrive, scroll to the bottom of the window and add a brief commit message describing your masterpiece. Click Create Pull Request. Post a copy of the PR URL requesting a review in the Rackspace Team's Docs Team and Review Requests channel, or you can email us at infodev@rackspace.com. We'll check it out and let you know if it needs any tweaks. GitHub sends notifications when the PR is merged and published. Thanks for watching the Treat Documentation Like Code Create and Publish New Content course. We look forward to seeing your contributions.